Welcome back to another demo trainer session. Today we're going to use one of the most popular trading tools to trade one of the most popular pairs. Are you ready? Go to Traders Hub and, like always, make sure you're using your demo account. Open Deriv MT5. MT5 stands for MetaTrader 5, one of the most popular trading platforms, powered by MetaQuotes and used by millions of traders around the world every day. Today we will use the web terminal with an MT5 Standard account. You can use Deriv MT5 mobile or desktop apps. Also, you can choose another MT5 account that fits your trading preferences, like MT5 Swap Free, which allows keeping positions open with no overnight fees, MT5 Zero Spread that offers matching buying and selling prices, and MT5 Gold, an excellent choice for precious metal traders. Deriv MT5 is rich with indicators, drawing tools, and charting options. You can change the chart's type to candle from here if you want to look like you know what you're doing. You can change the time frame from here. Pro tip: M means minute, not month. Here, you can show or hide the one-click trading panel. This cool thing that places your trade in the blink of an eye. And for analysis, you can use one of the tens of indicators Deriv MT5 offers. For a more informed plan, you can click on this calendar here. This will show you past and upcoming economic events that could affect the market. This is also useful if you want to sound like you know what you're doing. Like here, you can just blame this thing. If you'd like to get even more advanced tools and features, head to the desktop app. We're keeping it simple today, so we'll be using the web terminal. Now let's talk money. EU money. Euro is the legal tender in 20 EU member countries. And when combined with the US dollar, the result is the most popular Forex pair ever. They're like the Romeo and Juliet of Forex. Some even argue it's still a better love story than... Okay, alright, let's get started. To find the Euro-Dollar pair, click on the Market Watch button, and you will see the instruments you follow. Click on the search bar, go to Forex Major, and choose Euro-USD. And if you enjoy typing, just type Euro-USD in the search bar. If you click on the plus sign here, you won't have to look for it later, because it will be right here in your watch list. You can start a new order from two different places. You can use the one-click trading buttons, but be careful. Like really careful. This button doesn't allow to set the trade's parameters like take profit and stop loss, just a quick market order. To set all the parameters, click here. If you buy, you earn from hikes, and if you sell, you earn from dips. Let's learn a new trade type today. Let's place a buy limit order. For instance, you think the euro will dip and you're not ready to buy yet. At the same time, you might be busy gaming or cooking when it's by the level you're aiming for. In this case, or similar cases, choose buy limit. 1 euro lot is a 100,000 euros. And because it's demo money, I can pretend to be rich and buy a whole lot. Here, you set the price at which you want the order to buy. And as always, it is recommended to set your stop loss and take profit prices. When you place a limit order on Deriv MT5, you need to set the expiration. There are 4 options here. One is good till cancelled, or GTC. This is like forever. Then you can set it to today, which means unless the limit price is met today, the order will be cancelled. You can also set the deadline to a specific time or a specific day. And finally, you can add a comment that shows up with the order's record. And after you place your order, as long as it's not executed, you can edit from here, or move the limit, stop loss, and take profit lines on chart. Now go ahead and try it. Hit like, and tell us what would you like us to trade next.